Right now, cloudy skies, 67 degrees at WIMZ. With Thursday traffic, here's Suzanne.
It was too good to be true all day long, Calvin. We do have a problem now out on Chapman Highway at West Ford Valley. Rural Metro, the police, and the ambulance service all responding to an accident. Both southbound lanes are blocked. At 19th is
follow the river till it takes me home. Washed in the water and praying the Lord my soul to keep. Oh my God, I've been late so long. The devil won't seem to let me go. Washed in the water and praying the Lord my soul to keep. Gabriel's coming to take me home. Gabriel's coming to take me home. I was born into the grave. I've been set free and yet still a slave. Washed in the water and praying the Lord my soul to keep. I can hear the hounds that Satan said, getting closer now, must have caught my sin. Washed in the water, pray the Lord my soul to keep.
Tonight is when you're going to see the Aurora Borealis. This is from all across East Tennessee right now.
And if you have the proper luck and the holy endurance, the gods just might deliver.